decided to start using some of the biology resources. Really liked the presentations because they were just like resources that I would have written myself. As I looked at them, I thought, oh, this is great. This is going to save me a lot of time. And it's just what I would write myself, except it looks really professional and really nice. And again, I was really impressed with the worksheets because you had sort of quite accessible worksheets. You know, there was often something for different ability levels, or that I thought, you know what, my foundation students can access that. I think having the similar format each lesson is really helpful. With a large number of SEND students, they like to know what's going to happen and how the lesson is going to progress, and they like the worksheets. They're not too overwhelming for them, and the progression through the worksheets always sort of starts with something more straightforward and works through to the more difficult things. So it really helps the cognitive load because it's not overwhelming, but it encourages them to push what they're able to do. So it's been good. The Propello resources have really helped the students to see their progression, I would say, because they can see each lesson that, oh yes, this is more straightforward, and I'm getting through to the more tricky bits, and it's a bit of a challenge for them actually. You know, they think, oh well, I couldn't do the harder questions last time, but hey, look, I'm getting through more of this now. So that's really nice to see. I've really liked the sequencing, the clear curriculum sequence, and it's been exactly what I would have done and that I wanted it to be. Propello sort of ticks all the boxes, to be honest, it does. The presentations are very much like I would have made myself. I was like, yes, this is brilliant, these people are in my head, they know exactly what I want. And so that's now my first point of call. When I'm looking for a resource or something, I'll go there first because I know that even if it's not quite what I want, it will give me the good starting point and it will be a basis for my lessons. Oh, I feel really confident using the Propello resources. They're straightforward to download, it's really easy to understand, and actually, if I had non-specialists in the department, I would be happy saying, here it is, read this, if you've got any questions come and ask me, because it's really clear.